starting with the holy and blessed name of Allah, who is most gracious and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am here to deliver the lecture of chemistry 10th class, lecture number 14. Chapter is acid, base and salts. Today's topic is salts. What are salts? First we will define salts. Salts are ionic compounds generally formed by the neutralization of an acid with a base. Salts are ionic compounds. They formed from ions. Neutralization of acid and with a base. Cation of the acid and anion of the base. Salts are made up of positive ions, cations and negative ions, anions. That's why they are known as ionic compounds. A cation is metallic ion derived from a base. Therefore, it is called basic radical. What are basic radicals? Cation of the salt is metallic ion derived from the base. Therefore, it is called basic radical, while anion is derived from an acid. Anion is derived, negative ion is derived from an acid. Therefore, it is called acid radical. Here are definitions. First, salt. Then salts are made up of cations and anions. What are basic radicals and what are acid radicals? Now some examples are here of salts. Acids reacts with metals. Which salts they produce? Sodium reacts with hydrochloric acid to produce sodium chloride. Metallic, cation and anion from acid. Potassium K when reacts with nitric acid to form potassium nitrate. Zinc reacts with sulfuric acid to form zinc sulfate. When calcium reacts with phosphoric acid to produce calcium phosphate. Ca3PO4 whole twice. Silver reacts with acetic acid to produce silver acetate. Please prepare all formulas, their symbols, chemical name for objective. Now here are some characteristic properties of salts. First property, salts are ionic compounds found in crystalline form. They are formed in like three-dimensional structure. They have high melting and boiling points. Most of salt contains water of crystallization, which is responsible for the shape of crystals. What is water of crystallization? The molecules of water added with salt. That water is known as water of crystallization. That number of molecules depends their shapes. Number of molecules of water are specific for each salt. They are written with the chemical formula of the salt. For example, copper sulfate. Here are 5 molecules of water attached with copper sulfate. So formula of water of crystallization of copper sulfate is CuSO4.5H2O. Calcium sulfate CaSO4.2H2O. Last point, salts are neutral compounds because they are made up of cation and anion, positive ion and negative ion. Although they do not have equal number of positive and negative ions but have equal number of positive and negative charges. Charges are same. Today's topic has been completed. First definitions, second examples, and third characteristic properties of salt. Please prepare it very carefully. Allah Hafiz.